Hi there! Today we are going to show you how to use the iPhone Contact app to manage and organize your contact. First thing first, open the Contact app on your iPhone. It should be pre-installed on your device. So, look for the icon that looks like a silhouette of a person and then tap on it. To add a contact, you can tap on the plus sign icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you can enter the contact information such as their name, their phone number, their email address, and many more. And also, you can set for those contacts such as a ringtone, text tone, and etc. And then after you finish, you can tap done. After you tap done, the new contact will be added to your contact list. And the next step is edit a contact. To edit a contact, simply tap on their name in your contact list. And then tap on the edit button. From there, you can make any necessary changes to their information. If you already edit it, you can tap down. And the next step is delete a contact. To delete a contact, go to their profile and then tap edit. Then you scroll down to the bottom of the screen. There you will see a red deleted contact button. You tap on it and confirm that you want to delete the contact or not. And lastly is grouping your contact. You can also group your contact by creating custom groups such as family or coworker or maybe your childhood friend, etc. To do this, go to the add list, tap on that, and you can select from iCloud or Gmail or even your phone number. For example, I'm select Gmail. Then on the Gmail, you can create a group name. For example, I will create a family. After that, you can tap done and then you can tap on those group and you can add the member of the group family by tapping add contact. Then you can select from your contact list any contact you want to add to those group. After that, you can tap done. So, those selected contact will be added to the family group. And that's it. With this step, you can start using the iPhone contact apps to manage and organize your contacts. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helpful and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this one. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next video. Bye!